Okay student, now we will discuss about new term sector of the circle and segment of the circle. We will discuss it one by one. First of all, we will discuss about the sector. What is the sector? Sector, we can write the definition of the sector like this: the portion of circular region, the portion of circular region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc is called the sector of the circle. Meaning of this thing, that suppose that we are having one circle like this and it is center of the circle O. This is radius of the circle OA. In the same way, OB is also radius of the circle. So sector is what? Sector is the portion of circular region which enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc is called the sector of the circle. Means that area which enclosed by these two radius and the corresponding arc. Which one area enclosed by these two radius and closed arc? This one area. So this is called sector of the circle. This portion is called as sector of the circle. Now some student will say to me that ma'am, this area upper side one is also enclosed by two radius and this is also enclosed by the corresponding arc. This portion is also called sector, but we are called it as major sector. We call it as major sector, and this portion is known as minor sector. So sector is what? The area, the portion enclosed by two radius of the circle and by the corresponding arc is known as sector of the circle. Upper side one is known as major sector and this one as smaller sector. And formula to find out area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 multiply by pi r square. Pi r square is area of the circle. Theta is angle made by the radius with each other. This one is our theta. So to find out the value of area of the sector, we are going to use the formula theta. It is angle between two radius upon 360 multiply pi r square. R is radius of the circle. Now we will discuss about the segment. Now what is the segment? Segment is the portion, the circular region enclosed between chord and the corresponding arc is called segment of circle. Now meaning of this thing is, here we are having one circle. This is center of the circle. This is chord of the circle A and B. Now area enclosed by the chord and the corresponding arc, this known as segment. This small one portion known as minor segment and this called as major segment. Now if area enclosed by chord and corresponding arc, it is called the segment, and if area enclosed by radius and the corresponding arc, is known as a sector. To find out the value of the segment, area of segment formula is theta upon 360 multiply theta upon 360 multiply 2 pi r. This is length of the arc, means if we want to find out length of the arc, here is length of the arc. Length of the arc, if we want to find out, it is theta upon 360 multiply 2 pi r. And if we want to find out the value of a minor segment, then first of all we will make this one triangle. We will complete this triangle. This is actually, now it will be sector. So area of sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB, it is equal to area of segment. If we want to find out the value of this segment, this one segment value, if we want to find out, so from this whole area we have to subtract this triangle one area. So whatever we left, that is area of our segment. And if we want to find out the length of arc, that formula is equal to theta upon 360 multiply 2 pi r.